Hello there. Welcome to the exciting world of Instagram, where every moment is a chance to connect, share, and shine. So, you're looking to boost your Instagram presence? That's a fantastic goal. Whether you're here to share your passions, grow a business, or simply connect with like-minded individuals, Instagram offers endless possibilities. Think of Instagram as a giant buzzing party, and we want you to be the life of it. Imagine walking into a room filled with people who are eager to see what you have to share. It's all about making connections and having fun. Having a strong following opens doors to a vibrant online community, potential collaborations, and even business opportunities. Each like, comment, and follow is a step towards building your own unique space in this digital world. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. With the right approach, you can grow your presence organically and authentically. It's all about being yourself and sharing what you love. This guide will walk you through some effective strategies to grow your following organically. From creating engaging content to interacting with your audience, we've got you covered. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Building a strong Instagram presence takes time and patience, but with consistent effort, you'll see amazing results. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Together, we'll explore the tips and tricks that will help you shine on Instagram. So grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's embark on this exciting journey to Instagram success. Imagine walking into a party and just standing in the corner, not talking to anyone. A bit awkward, right? Instagram works the same way. Don't be a wallflower. Engage with others. Like posts you enjoy, leave thoughtful comments, and share content that resonates with you. It's all about building relationships and being a part of the conversation. Two heads are better than one, right? The same goes for Instagram. Teaming up with other creators can do wonders for your visibility. Think about joint posts, guest appearances on each other's stories, or even fun live sessions together. It's a fantastic way to cross-promote your content and reach new audiences. For example, a food blogger and a fitness enthusiast could collaborate on a healthy recipe series. See the potential? Instagram offers a smorgasbord of features to spice up your content. Don't be afraid to experiment. Stories are perfect for quick updates and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Reels allow you to showcase your creativity with short, engaging videos. And IGTV is your stage for longer-form content. Find your tribe. Communities await. Think about what you're passionate about. Gardening, travel, cooking, whatever it is, there's an Instagram community for you. Search for relevant hashtags, join group chats, and participate in discussions. It's a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals and expand your reach. Remember, the more engaged you are, the more visible you become. Keep at it. Consistency is your secret weapon. Imagine planting a garden and then forgetting to water it. Not going to end well, right? Consistency is key on Instagram. Post regularly so your followers know what to expect. Whether it's once a day or a few times a week, find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Insights are your friend. Analyze and conquer. In the world of social media, knowledge is power, and Instagram Insights is your treasure trove of valuable data. Instagram provides valuable data on how your content is performing. Don't ignore it. This data can reveal patterns and trends that are crucial for your growth. This is your secret weapon to understand your audience better. By diving deep into these insights, you can uncover what resonates most with your followers. Pay attention to what type of posts get the most engagement. Is it photos, videos, or maybe carousel posts? Identifying this can help you tailor your content to what your audience prefers. Also, take note of what time your followers are most active. Posting when your audience is online increases the chances of your content being seen and engaged with. And don't forget about hashtags. Analyze which hashtags are working best for you. The right hashtags can significantly boost your reach and visibility. Use this information to refine your content strategy. Make adjustments based on what the data tells you. This could mean changing your posting times, experimenting with different content formats, or using new hashtags. By doing so, you can give your audience more of what they love. This not only keeps your current followers engaged, but also attracts new ones. Remember, the key to conquering Instagram is to analyze and adapt continuously. You've got this. Embrace the journey. This is your time to shine, to explore, and to grow. Every step you take is a step towards your dreams. Building a following takes time and effort. It's not just about the numbers, but about the connections you make along the way. Each follower is a person who believes in your vision. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Success is a journey, not a destination. It's about the lessons you learn and the experiences you gain. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Each piece of content you create is a building block towards your ultimate goal. Keep moving forward one step at a time. Focus on creating engaging content, connecting with others, and enjoying the process. Your authenticity will resonate with your audience. Share your story, your passions, and your unique perspective. The more you put yourself out there, the more you'll grow. Attend events, network with like-minded individuals, and don't be afraid to show the world who you are. And most importantly, have fun. Enjoy the moments, the laughter, and the connections you make. Your joy will be contagious and will attract more people to your journey. Instagram is a platform for creativity and connection. Use it to express yourself, to share your art, and to connect with others who share your interests. Let your personality shine through and enjoy the ride. Embrace the ups and downs, the challenges and triumphs. This is your journey, and it's worth every moment. Wrapping up, now go shine online. There you have it. You're now armed with valuable strategies to grow your Instagram following organically. Remember, be authentic, engage with others, and don't be afraid to experiment. Now go out there and shine. The world is waiting to see what you have to offer.